If you're looking to make sure your Mailchimp email campaigns are optimized for mobile, you're in the right place. Mobile optimization is crucial today, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do it in Mailchimp so your emails look great on every device. First, let's talk about responsive design. Mailchimp offers built-in templates that adjust automatically based on the device used. This is key because if your emails aren't responsive, they could be hard to read or look disorganized on smaller screens. To ensure this, always choose a responsive template when starting a new campaign and test how it appears on mobile within Mailchimp's preview tool. Next, focus on your subject lines. Since many people open emails directly from their phones, make sure your subject lines are short and punchy. Aim for around 30 to 40 characters so that the text isn't cut off, which happens a lot on mobile screens. You want your audience to see the full subject line, as it's the first thing they'll notice when your email pops up in their inbox. The third thing to pay attention to is your images. Large images can slow down load times and eat up data, which is something most people don't want when they're checking their emails on mobile. Resize your images before uploading them, and always optimize for fast loading. Mailchimp also gives you an option to automatically resize images, so be sure to make use of that feature to enhance your mobile experience. Next, let's dive into text formatting. It's super important that your text is easy to read on mobile. Use larger fonts. Aim for at least 14px for body text. Keep paragraphs short and use bullet points to make your message easy to skim. This way, your email isn't just easy to read, it's also more engaging. The fifth thing is call to action buttons. Make sure your buttons are large enough to tap easily. A small button can be a real pain on a touchscreen device. Also, make sure the text on the button is clear and action-oriented, like Shop Now or Learn More. You'll want to test the button's positioning as well to make sure they're placed where people can easily access them. Another great tip for optimizing Mailchimp email campaigns for mobile is to streamline your layout. Keep it simple. Don't overcrowd the email with too much text or too many images. A clean, well-spaced layout will always look better on mobile than one that's cluttered. Mobile users appreciate simplicity, and when it's easy to navigate, they're more likely to take action. Finally, let's not forget testing. Testing your emails is essential before you send them out. Make sure you preview your campaigns on different devices using Mailchimp's preview tool to ensure everything looks great. You can also send test emails to yourself to check how your campaign displays on various mobile devices. Before you go, don't forget that you can use Mailchimp for free with our exclusive bonuses. Just click the first link in the description to get started with Mailchimp's free plan today and unlock your extended free trial. Take advantage of all these features to optimize your email campaigns for mobile and make sure your audience has the best experience possible. Now, you're all set to create beautifully optimized emails for mobile with Mailchimp. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to check out the link below for a free trial to this powerful software and optimize your campaigns like a pro.